Can one bad roof repair actually destroy your roof? Take a look at this roof inspection in Decatur, Georgia. Someone already tried repairing this chimney flashing, but they never stopped the leak. Every time it rained, water kept getting beneath the roofing system and started destroying the roof decking. We also found blistered shingles, another sign that this roof needed a professional inspection. Once water reaches your attic, the damage is already spreading. And by the time you notice it inside your home, the repair usually costs much more. A roof repair should fix the source of the leak, not just cover it up. We believe every homeowner deserves honest answers before making a roofing decision. If you notice signs of roof damage, our team is here to help. Schedule your complimentary roof inspection today. If you're looking for honest answers and real solutions for your home, you can always trust the Good Shepherd.